Now, did you know that you can earn some great prizes from points, which you can earn by literally, I'm not even kidding, searching on Microsoft Bing? From PC search, you can earn points. From mobile search and Windows search box, right here, you can earn some points. But what do these points even mean? Well, here you can see if you get 200 points, you basically have a sweepstakes entry. From 1,000 points, you have a non-profit cash donation. From 1,500 points, you basically get gift cards to Microsoft Store or Xbox. And from 5,000 points, there's gift cards at top retailers. Now, how can you get these points then? We can basically get them by gaming. You can even get them by browsing, as I've said here, PC search, mobile search, as well as Microsoft Cashback. And then you can also get them if you read more here. You basically get for every $1 you spend, you earn 1 point, and so on. You can read all of this here. You can pause it, but yeah, basically you can earn some stuff from literally doing nothing.